Welcome to the presentation of how to write, learn and remember the trigonometric table from 0 to 90 degree. Alright, here are the respective ratios and the angles here, like sine 0 degree, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, similarly tan 0, tan 30. So what is the value of them? Alright, how to remember, how to write without any tricks and anything. You don't have to remember anything. In the previous one, what I had told you to learn at least the all ratio of sine. Alright, but here I'm not going to tell you even to learn the sine. Nothing you have to remember. Just write the angles here at the first row, and in the one column you write the trigonometric ratios. All right, and see how we're gonna do it. Simply start writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each box. All right, so 0 right here, 0. It's 30 right here, 1 right here, 2 right here, 3 right here, 4. All right, and again divide everything by 4. Let's divide everything by 4. Okay, and our next step is take the root of everything, square root. All right, square root of this also, square root of this also, square root of this one also, square root of this one also. So 0 over 4, that's 0, and the square root of 0, that's finally 0. So sine 0 equals to 0, and now 1 over 4. So if you see here, so finally what you'll get 1 over 2. All right, because 4 is also the square of 2, and 1 is itself the square of 1, so 1 over 2 is going to come outside. So 2 times 2. So here you'll get 1, 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. So 1 it will come outside, but 2, the square root of 2, it will be here. All right, and here see this root 3 will be as it is, but 4 is the square root of 2, so 2 will come outside. All right, and here 4 over 4 you'll get finally 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. All right, so here what you find all the sine ratios, from sine 0 to sine 90 degree. See, sine 0, that's 0. Sine 30 degree, that's 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, that's 1 over root 2. All right, and sine 60 degree, that's root 3 over 2. And sine 90 degree, that's 1. In some countries, I have seen sine 45, like that's the same thing, by the way. Sine 45 degree, we get here 1 over root 2, right? And many people do rationalization of this, so they multiply and divide by 2, so they get root 2, and root 2 times root 2, that's 2. So root 2 over root 2 writing, or you're writing 1 over root 2, both are same thing. All right, so it does not confuse in this, and very, very simple. Now you don't have to do anything, you just copy and paste it. How? Let's see here you have 1, just copy this 1 into this box. All right, now you have root 3 over 2. Now write it here, root 3 over 2. All right, the 90 value of sine is equals to the 0 value of cos. Similarly, 60 value of sine is 30 value of cos, and 45 value of sine will be equal with 45 value of cosine, so it will be also 1 over root 2. Similarly here now, like see 45 of 45, like 90 was here, 60 was here, 45 was here, so 30 will be here. Means sine 30 and cosine of 60 will be same, so it will be 1 over 2. And similarly sine 0 and cos 90 both are same, that's 0. And now what is tangent? The tan ratio will be just because what you learned, that tangent is the ratio of sine over cosine, sine over cosine. So just take one value from sine and take another value. Numerator will be sine and denominator will be cosine. All right, that's it. So let's do it. Okay, so sine 0 is 0 over 0, so 0 over 1, that's 0. Tan 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 over root 3 by 2, so it's going to be 1 over root 3. All right, 1 over root 2 over 1 over root 2, that's going to be 1, because numerator and denominator both are same. All right, and now root 3 by 2 over 1 by 2, so it's going to be simply root 3. All right, if you do it, you'll get it. If you do like this, quite little space, so root 3 over 2 whole divided by 1 over 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel up, and you will simply get here root 3. And now here 90 degree, 1 over 0. Okay, 1 over 0, that's some undetermined value. Generally we give the here symbol, infinity symbol we generate right here to represent it. So anything over 0 we don't know, that's undetermined value. All right, so that's why let's say infinity. Cosecant, we know that very well, that sine theta times cosec theta equals to 1. So cosec theta is going to be 1 over sine theta. All right, so that's why you're just going to write the reciprocal of that. So cosec is just the reciprocal of this. So it is 0, so 1 over 0. All right, so it's 1 over 0. All right, so 1 over 0, that's again undetermined value. All right, similarly, just reciprocal of this, reciprocal of sine. All right, okay, reciprocal of sine, that's 2. Again, reciprocal of 45, that's simply root 2. Reciprocal of 60, that's 2 over root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1 over 1, that's 1. All right, and now for the secant, oh my god, I haven't drawn a line. Okay, for the secant, like say sine was the reciprocal of cos x. Similarly, reciprocal of cos is secant. So here, what are you gonna put? Sec is just reciprocal of 1 over 1. That's 1. All right, and reciprocal of 30, that's root 3 over 2. That is 2 over root 3. Similarly, for the 45, 1 over root 2. So it's simply root 2. And just reciprocal of this, 1 by 2. That's 2. And again here, 0, 1 over 0. That's again 1 over 0. You don't know. That's on some undetermined value. All right. Now cotangent, just reciprocal of tangent. Okay, and that's going to be 0 over 0. Again, that's undetermined value. All right, and 1 over root 3, so it will be simply root 3. So reciprocal of 1, again 1. Reciprocal of root 3, that's going to be 1 over root 3. And reciprocal of 1 over infinity, 1 over infinity, that's 0. You might have heard that something over 0 is infinity, but same thing, if you turn like this, something over infinity going to be equal with 0. So that's the thing I used here. So this is how we write the all trigonometric value. Look at here now. And one thing you need to keep in mind, see, always these things, like the very simple thing what we did here, first we write 0 1 2 3 4, first step. Second, divide by 4, take the square root, and that's your value for the sine. And now relations between the sine and cos. If it is, if the sine value is increasing, think that cosine value is decreasing. And if cosine value is increasing, sine value will be decreasing between 0 to 90 degree. All right. So see, sine 0 will be equals to cosine 90. Sine 30 equals to 60. 45 both are same. All right. So sine 60 will be equals to cosine of 30, and sine 90 will be equals to cosine of 1. Similarly, tan is simply the ratio of sine over cosine. So 0 over 1, that's 0, and 1 by 2 over, just to take the ratios. All right. And always after that, take the reciprocal, because cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Similarly, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tan. So keep that in mind, and just learn to remember or write. Like this is just you need. I will better tell you, better suggest you to remember the trigonometric table, because that will be quicker and faster. But in case you forget, let's say you forget, and you want to be sure, then this is the way. This is the trick. You can apply anywhere, anytime.